Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode today. This mystery box is going to be $1,600 from soulsupremacy.com. You guys know it as the beater box, a box full of mystery sneakers, and the whole purpose of the box is to try to resell these shoes and then hopefully make profit on, what we spent, $1,600. So we want to make more than that amount. Let's hope that we get that today. Before I open this up though, I do have two quick announcements for you guys. For the people that have been following that NFT video that I did like over a month ago now, sorry about that guys, but that box that I bought, that Nike NFT mystery box, finally they say that it's gonna open next week, or this week I guess. So I will have that video for you guys next week Friday for sure. So thank you for your patience on that. I have been waiting just as long as you. I mean, I did spend $15K on this, so I want to know what I actually bought, right? The second bit of good news is actually related to that. I have been kind of keeping a secret from you guys. I not only have one of these boxes, but I bought a second box when it was at like $13,000 or $12,000. It dipped a little bit in value. I bought it then. Now the boxes are going for over $22,000, so I could actually sell it now and make a bunch of money, but I want to know what's in the box, so that should be a lot of fun. Anyway, let's see what we have in this box today. Again, $1,600. Oh my goodness, okay. Whoa, oh. I haven't seen a beater box like this in a minute. There is a lot of loose shoes in this box, and I see one pretty expensive sneaker already. It's sitting at the top. We'll save that one for later, but this should be a lot of fun. A lot of shoes without boxes. The first one that we have is this Nike SB Dunk right here. Dunk Low Pro, size 12. I'm not even gonna guess. I don't know the colorway of this, but this shoe is sick. I actually really like this one. The colorway on this is really nice. That's why the leather on here still feels good, but looks like it's been kept in pretty decent condition. Bottoms of course are dirty. This is used, so it's called the Dunk Low Pro SB Thunderstorm, and a size 12. No, this thing says that it's going for $2,000 brand new. I do not buy that. A used pair, there we go. Used pair without a box is $300. So this is a great value shoe. This one is very beat up too. We might be able to get more than $300 for this. Very nice to see as the first shoe out of the box. And I do want to mention before I get into the next shoe, if you guys do want to purchase any of these sneakers, they will be on untiedhawaii.com. Please note that they are actually only available to channel members first, and then after, if the channel members don't sell out the shoes, then non-members are able to buy. If you guys do want to be a channel member, there's actually a join button down below, either on your phone or on your desktop. Just click join. I think it's like $5 a month or something. It's very cheap. You support the channel and you get a chance at very discounted shoes. Next shoe out, let's get this. This is a Jordan 11. I believe these are the Gammas. And this one is in the size 9.5. Okay. And for the condition, we have another very solid sneaker right here. The easiest way to tell the amount of wear on a Jordan 11 is to check for the creasing on the toe box. Because it is patent leather, this thing creases like crazy. However, it doesn't look too bad. This 23 still looks fresh. Bottoms obviously are discolored, but that just happens over time. And yeah, not a bad sneaker here. 2013 release. What do we say? Size 9.5. 215, 220, 220, 240. Okay, so at least over $200, but again, for channel members, it'll probably be less than $200. We always hook it up for the channel members, so whatever price you guys see on the screen over here doesn't reflect what I'm actually selling it for. You guys always get a better deal. This is just the competitive market pricing. So another one without a box over here. As I said, there's a lot of loose shoes. This one is a Jordan 3 in a size 9.5. This one is worn quite a bit. You can see heavy creasing over the toe box right here, and a lot of sock lint in the shoe, so you guys know somebody's been wearing this a lot. No midsole cracking on the paint, which is really good. The bottoms also look nice over here, and not a lot of like heel drag or anything. Used, the cheapest one is $100. Ugh, that's not good value at all. I would say that this is probably closer to this 150 pricing if whoever put this one up. That sounds more reasonable to me, just because the condition is better than probably that first one that we saw, but still not a lot of value. I would have expected this to go up for a little bit more. It is a nice shoe. Next one out, we got a lot of SBs over here. Size 12. You can check this one out. It's hard to say. I feel like the condition of this is pretty good, but when you look over here, there is a good amount of scuffing. I don't see like any like cuts or tears though, so that's great. Not a lot of sock lint in the shoe either. Bottoms are very clean, so maybe not worn that heavily. Size 12. I guess it's not going for that much. Brand new, they're going for $405. We'll check the used on the 11.5. A little bit over $300. For this one, size 10.5 used. This one's going for $200, so we'll figure out the pricing on this, but I'm assuming it'll probably be like mid to low 200s. I guess I gotta take this one out. This is the one that I saw that I was hyping up at the beginning. It's the last pair of loose shoes in here, but it's a very good pair of shoes in my opinion. Right here we have those Grateful Dead Yellow Bear Dunks, or whatever they're gonna be called at this point. I've never been a fan of this. You guys know I love the color yellow, but this thing, the furriness, it's just not for me. I don't know. This one is a size 12 as well, and I know at one point these these are going for like $1,000. I'm not sure if it's there anymore, but we'll see in a minute. First, I want to take a close look at this with you guys. Very unique sneaker. It stands out a lot. Obviously, like this little like rug carpet thing on the top pops off a lot. The swoosh over here is actually really nice as well. And there's a lot of like extra things on this. You can see the Grateful Dead bear right here. This is like a stash pocket for you guys, so you can actually stash stuff in here. Whatever you want to stash, you can put it in there. And you can also see the bears on the insole right there, I think. So this is cool. Let's hope that we actually make some money on this one. Wow, it did maintain value pretty well. So new pairs are still going for over $1,000. A used pair, there's no size 12, so we'll look at the size 11. Used pair on a size 11, this one's going for $780 with no box. The 10.5 is going for mid 700s as well. I'm assuming that this one will be a little bit more expensive just because, as I mentioned, size 12s are a little bit more rare and there was no use condition. So we can expect a little bit more, but yes, one of the best shoes of the box for sure. We still have 3 sneakers left too, which is kind of amazing. And there's one box in here that I haven't seen in a long time. This one though is an Air Max 97 size 9. Ooh, what is this? It's like a denim kind of Air Max. This is actually pretty nice. I like this. 3JP Sport Turo. What the heck is this? There is a lot of like denim on this, and it does say like 35 over here, so I guess it's like an anniversary sneaker. It's got like a little diamond like Nike logo in there as well. And I want to say that this one has been worn once, if anything. Like literally, there doesn't look like there's much damage on here at all. Wow, and it's not that expensive at all. It's actually going under retail pricing. For a new pair, it's $126. So this is probably a sub $100 pair of shoes, but still, this could be a sleeper shoe. I actually like this a lot, and for the price, I mean, this is a great pickup. 2 sneakers left. This one is a Jordan 1 low in a size 9, and okay. This is a pair that we've seen before. I really like this pair, guys. That yellow pops off really well, and it's just a very well-made Jordan 1 low. The only problem is that it's a low. If this was on a high with same materials and same color blocking, I would have get this in a heartbeat. Lows, I just can't do it. Bottoms right here, a little bit dirty. Overall, not too bad. I remember had a pair of these before that I gifted to one of my friends, and if I recall, they were going for a little over $100, but homie hookup, they get it for free. You know what it is. Wow, the price of these went up a lot. I gave this guy a deal. Used they're going for $200, new they're going for $380. Wow. It is what it is. Support your friends, I guess. So yeah, this time I will be selling this one though. We gotta make some money on it. And so for the last shoe of the box, I'm pretty excited to see this, guys. As I mentioned, I have not seen this box in a while, and I'm guessing some of you guys have never seen this box, because this thing, it's a collab shoe. And look at how big this box is, dude. Red Air Jordan box. This should be the Just Dawn collab, and this one is in the size 8.5. Nice, it still comes with the hat. So open this up, you can see Just Dawn over here. It does have like a little excerpt that I won't read, save you guys some time. This was actually a very sick shoe though. I like these, the Just Dawns. Even though I'm not a big fan of 2s, these are probably my favorite pair of Jordan 2s just because they look so dang clean. Check it out under the camera. This is what I mean. Materials pop off on this. Very, very sleek color as well. Easy to wear with a lot of things. Materials are really nice on this, and it does have those premium vibes. Like this leather is super high quality. If you can't tell on the camera, this thing is super sick, and it has like that nice quilted pattern over the top too. One of the other cool things about this collab is it does come with like this hat. So has like a red leather hat over here. Just one of those cool things that are also added in this pack. I think the reason why these probably didn't sell super well is just because the retail pricing I believe was like $450 or maybe even higher than that. Very expensive, and yeah, just not too many people like the 2s. However, as I mentioned, this is probably my favorite Jordan 2 of all time. I am very interested to see what the price of this is gonna be. Wow, the price is not that great. New they're going for $730, so that's not that high. Okay, this one has no box. It's going for a little under $500. Size 8, this one's going for $400-ish. This one has the original box and is going for $670. Does it have the hat too? This guy doesn't even show if he has the hat. See, these are so hard to price just because there's so many factors in play, right? Does it have the box? Does it have like the hat, which everybody wants the hat because you got to match it with the shoes. This one is probably the closest. This guy's asking for $800, but again, it's a different size, and the size 8.5 new is $730, so it's got to be less than $730. We'll probably price it at like mid 500s or something for the channel members just to hook you guys up. As I said, a very cool shoe and a great way to end this mystery box. This box was insane. This was a really good box. Even though it was like a lot of like beaters, we didn't get any DS shoes at all. Very good mix of sneakers in here. We got SB Dunks, we got some Jordans, we got that cool Just Dawn collab. I love mystery boxes like this, and I think all of these will fly off the shelves very quickly. If you guys do want to purchase any of them, they will be join UntieledHawaii.com. Again, channel members first. If they don't sell out on Saturday when we do the random drop at a random time, on Sunday they will be available to the mass public, so you guys can check it out then. It does pay to be a channel member though, and it does help support me a lot, you know, help support the family and stuff. So appreciate all you guys that are channel members that continue to support me. Love you guys behind the camera, and I will see you guys next week for that NFT mystery box. If it doesn't come out, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna freak out, and man, it better come out next week, because I've been saying next week for literally like 6 weeks already. So we'll see. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I'll see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!